It's Vogel's fourth goal of the day.
As he goes to the top
Score for Vogel, and knocks it through. Golden Eagles a 1-0 lead.
Julian Vogel, sports player for Morris Knowles.
Watching you for love, dreams where I'm fading.
Shot on the way and a score! Knowles gets on the board first. Vogel shoots and scores!
Battle for the ground ball. Vogel will scoop it up.
Just take it out here.
And he takes a tough shot, low angle, and Knowles is on the scoreboard. Vogel with the goal.
Vogel now collects his hat trick. It's his 20th goal on the season.
If you want me